Want to apply conditional formatting through Excel VBA, but you don't know how? Don't worry, I can show you. Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Eric. In today's episode, I'll be teaching you how to apply conditional formatting through Excel VBA. Let's get started.
In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can apply conditional formatting from within Excel's VBA. As usual, we'll start off with every time with a new sub, and for this I'll call it C formatting. Next, we're going to declare a variable, which is Lastrow. If you watched my previous episodes, you'll understand why it's important to have Lastrow. If not, I'll be linking the video up in the right-hand corner or in the description down below. Okay, so let's start off by declaring last row as string, as long. Next, we'll be telling Excel what last row is, equals sh formatting dot cells, open bracket, it'll be rows dot count, comma 1 for column A, dot end, open bracket, XL up, dot row. Next, we can go on with the with sheet statement. So with sh formatting dot range, and we're going to tell Excel what the range is for the formatting. So A2 to A, close quotes, and last row, close the bracket. Excellent. Next, we're going to add a statement to delete any previous conditional formatting. So format conditions dot delete. Next, we will start with the format conditions dot add this time. Next, we're going to do type equals text string, comma, then we're going to do the string equals Boston. Next, we're going to do text operator, and the operator will be Excel contains. So this just tells Excel that if the cell contains the word Boston, it'll highlight. Next, we'll do format conditions in brackets 1 for the first condition, dot interior dot color equals RGB in brackets. For this example, I'll be using 255, 199, 206. Next, I also want to add a font color as well. So dot format conditions in bracket for the first, dot font dot color equals RGB. And for this example, I'll be using 156, 0, 6. Close the bracket. Next, we're going to have to close off the with statement. All right, so let's run this and see it in action. There you go. As you can see, only the cells with Boston is highlighted. If you want the whole row, we'll use a different statement, which is an expression. So we'll do xlExpression, comma, we're going to do formula 1. And the formula we'll be using is, open your quotes, A2 equals, we need to put an equal sign in front, equals A2 equals, in double quotes, Boston. All right, so let's run this and see it in action. As you can see, only the column A is highlighted. We need to adjust this to whatever range of columns you want. So we'll do K, and let's try to run this. There you go. The whole row here is highlighted. You can also have a different expression which you can use on this too. So let's try something different. So we'll do let's go with the games played, this B2 is greater than or equal to 70. All right, and let's see this in action. There we go. Any columns and any cells in B, which is greater than 70, will be highlighted. This can be used on any columns as well.
Thank you for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more episodes. See you next time.